Hello viewers, my name is Rina and you're welcome to my channel. Today's dish is pasta, jollof spaghetti, and I'll be teaching you the step-by-step method on how to prepare the most delicious and rich pasta ever. Before we begin, let us talk about you subscribing to my channel. Please do like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let us start with the fact that I knew what I wanted to do and I knew what I was doing. I already had my plans right from knowing what to do, knowing what to cook, to planning out all my ingredients and the angles of my shoot for my content. Boiling my chicken, I washed it very well and I boiled it. Then thereafter, I moved to my pepper mix in the blender. I washed it first. Of course, you have to wash your pepper mix. By pepper mix, I am talking about the bell pepper, the long pepper, and tomato, and of course onion. Blending it together is like pepper mix, and it gives you. You can use it for stew, you can use it to cook jollof rice, you can use it to prepare jollof spaghetti, or anything you want to use it to prepare. So just like I said, after washing it, I went ahead to blend it, and it came out so smooth. From there, I went ahead to check the chicken I was boiling, and thereafter I had to fry the chicken, and it looked so delicious, trust me. After that, I went ahead to cut in my veg from carrots to green peas to my spring onions, and of course the normal onion. The first thing you need to know that each veg and each ingredient has its own function in your food. It determines the kind of taste it has to your meal. About your spring onions, you need to know that you have to cut your spring onions into two parts. There is one that has the white part and there is one that has the green part. So you need to cut the white part differently and you need to cut the other green part differently because you'll be having them at different times. Because you're going to have to start with the white parts when you start frying your ingredients for the jollof spaghetti. I also went ahead to slicing my onions, of course in a very good shape and in a uniform shape. Thereafter, I went ahead to put water in the pot and to boil my spaghetti. I placed the raw spaghetti inside the pot and I followed the length of the exact raw spaghetti. You need to follow this length for your spaghetti to come out very well and in good shape. After boiling my spaghetti, I went ahead to gather all my ingredients together. I'm talking about oil, onion, thyme, curry, butter, salt, maggi, tomato paste, carrots, the green peas, blended cinnamon, ginger and garlic, nutmeg, and all other ingredients. I started by putting oil in a pot, onions, and of course the spring onions I had sliced earlier. And remember I told you that you have to put the white part of the spring onions first to enable a very rich and healthy taste to your meal. I also added the carrots and green peas that I chopped earlier. I added butter, do not forget to add your butter. I added pepper I had blended earlier. Added it into it, which after I had mixed all the ingredients together. Then I went ahead to add tomato paste. After that I mixed it together again and I added all the other ingredients into it. I added some jollof rice ingredients. I added Larsor chicken seasoning. I added coconut seasoning, nutmeg, ginger and garlic, salt, maggi. Do not forget to add your thyme and curry. I added my grinded cinnamon because I blended the cinnamon myself from scratch. I also added my protein water, the water I got from boiling my chicken. Do not forget to add the other green part of your spring onions that you had sliced earlier. Mix everything together and allow it to cook for a while. Cover it for a few minutes and thereafter pour your spaghetti inside. After you pour your spaghetti inside the pot, stir it gently, mix it all together. Remember, do it softly, gently, and gently. After that, leave it for a while for a few minutes and allow it to cook together so that the ingredients can mix well with the spaghetti together. Like I said, leave it to cook for a while, and after that, your spaghetti is ready. Your jollof pasta, your jollof spaghetti is ready. Trust me, this is so yummy. This is what we call a rich, delicious, well prepared jollof spaghetti. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Rena, and please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you. Thank you for watching.